looking at the slide layout and how to edit it by clicking on the different layouts, the options that were given here on the right hand side. But what if we want to go ahead and edit our graphical design? So we go ahead and click on Format and then hit Slide Design, and then on the right hand side we see that now we have different graphical designs, images that we can change on our slide. And we see that if we would have just clicked down over here, we have all of our options. We could have just selected Slide Design. So now that we have a few of our sample slides, I can go ahead and click on a type of design here. Let's go with the let's say this blue design, and we see now that all of our slides in the presentation have now changed with that background